Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming language series, today we are going to focus on the next video. Now, before going to start, I want to tell you something. We have discussed how to print something and how to declare a variable, some a, some b, like this. But now the issue is, for example, you declare a, you declare b, c, some abc, some d, f. These are different variable names. But the issue is, for example, think English language. In English language, apple is already described for this fruit. Again, ball, it is already described for the item which is used to play. Similarly, bat, which is already assigned for some word which is used to do some like playing cricket. The bat, okay, means for every word it is formed from the combination of A to Z. Correct. So if something is formed A to Z, the scientist whoever created the English language, they kept some names. They did naming ceremony for some of the things they did already. So I born today, but the English language came before some years, right? How can I don't have rights to use apple word? I don't have rights to use ball. I don't have rights to use bat. Why? Because it was reserved for something. Today, if I want to see, today I got some new object. This is the new object. If I want to keep name for it, can I use this apple? No, right? People will confuse. Can I use ball? No, people will confuse. Can I use bat? No, already reserved words, that thing, but the keywords. We should not use those things. I can name that. Why? Because I don't know this one is used by anything. So I can use whichever thing is not used, those things only I must use. Similarly, in Python language also, you know what is the definition of keyword now? Keyword is already reserved. You should not use the name. Keywords are the special reserved words that have some meaning. Already some meaning is there. You should not use those words. Okay. Now, these are some keywords in Python. Just remember and see, just simple and, or, if, else, for, simple words. Remember simple words. Continue, del. Remember this word, okay? And because I will show you example in next video. I will implement it and I will show you, so that these are all the keywords. I am telling you, please possible if you possible maintain notes or I'll take some screenshots. Okay, these are all the keywords. Some of the keywords you should not. Why I am telling means whenever you are giving names per variable, you should not use these words. Why? Because computer will get confused whether you are using keyword or whether you are using variable name. Okay, why? Because see, similar thing, human being in your home, if small kid born, you will keep some name of your father or your brother name or your sister name or your mother name. No, right? Why? Because you will confuse. If I call that guy name, the brother will, two brothers are there. If I keep both same name, both will come, right? It is causing a problem. So that we should not disturb already existing people. Why? Because we cannot change my father name or my sister name because they born before me. I can change whoever taking birth after me. Correct. Similarly, we are taking the writing the variable names. We are doing indirectly. We are doing naming ceremony for variables. So you should not give nonsense names already which were present. So computer will get confused. You should treat computer like a kid. You should not complicate computer. Computer will act very simple. So that you should not disturb. You should not, what can I tell? You should not confuse computer. Okay. For that purpose, you are learning the Python language so that you will not do any mistakes while doing language. Okay. And these are the keywords. Just remember some of the keywords. Maximum, if you do some practice, already all these keywords will get into your brain only. But for now, remember and. Okay. And is a keyword. I will make a use and I will show you. Okay. And there are some more rules. Why? Because, for example, if you write a variable ABC, some DEF, some like this, some names, for example XYZ, you should not do like this. Whatever you want, you cannot do. Why? Because computer gets confused. So that scientist gave four rules, only four rules. They are very easy rules. Normally, whenever you are giving name in Python programming language, what you will use, whatever the buttons you can see in your keyboard, you will use all the buttons, right? Small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9, and some symbols, dollar, at the rate, this thing, and some white. I am also seeing my keyboard. I can find some more symbols. All the symbols I can give, right? So, first of all, scientist removed some of the buttons. Okay, don't use these nonsense symbols. Don't use any symbol. Use only this underscore, 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 small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9. Okay, this is the first law. It can contain variable, can contain a to z, small a to z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Only these things only a variable must contain, variable name must contain. By using these things only you should form a variable. So for example, how can you form small a, capital A, underscore 0 1 2 3? I will write, see, this is first rule. Okay, let me complete four rules and we will discuss. First rule. What is second rule? It cannot start with 0 to 9. Means numerical. With numerical, you should not start. You should start with capital A to Z, small a to Z, or underscore. With these three items only, you should start. But in between, numbers can contain. Okay, and it cannot be a keyboard. So sorry, keyword. So that only I teach you what is meant by keyboard and what are different keywords. And it is case sensitive. Case sensitive means nothing but small age is and capital AGE and AGE and say for example capital A, capital G, small g and small a, capital G, capital G, all are different, all are different. This is one variable, this is one variable, this is one variable, and this is one variable, this is one variable. On screen you are seeing five different variables, sorry, five. Okay, if it is not case sensitive, if it is not case sensitive, all are same, all are same. But this is case sensitive. Case sensitive means capital age and small age are different, two different variables. Computer will consider as two different variables. Okay, these are the four rules. So let us do some small exercise. Computer will not apply any technology or intelligence, just it will follow the rules what the scientist give. For example, age, is it a variable or not? First line, it cannot start with, sorry, it can start with, it can contain, sorry, it can contain capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9 underscore. Okay, A allowed, in this it is there. G allowed in this category. Next, E allowed in this category. Both belong to second category only. Okay, 100% correct. Second loop, it cannot start with 0 to 9, it is starting with A, it is not starting with 0 to 9, so no problem, correct. It cannot be a keyword. See, is there any age keyword? Age. So not there. So this is also satisfied. It is case sensitive. Okay, we are giving one keyword only. It is case sensitive. Okay, no problem. So age is a valid variable. Okay. Now similarly, let's see one more example. Let's see A G 091. Here some underscore and 32 and E. Okay, E. This is my variable name. Let us check it is it valid or not. Don't apply your intelligence, just go and follow first rule. It can contain A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9 underscore. Okay, underscore is there, belong to this category. A G O belong to this category. 91 belong to number. 32 belong to number. E belong to small word. So first rule satisfied. Next rule, it cannot start with 0 to 9. Is it starting first digit is 0 to 9? No, right? So this rule also accepted. It cannot be keyboard. How it can be a keyboard? The nonsense word which I written, will it be a keyboard? No, right? So this is also variable. Okay, correct. Now next, some 920, sorry, 9z3, 9z3. It can contain A to Z, sorry, 0 to 9 and dollar. 9 is there, Z belong to second category, 3 belong to 0 to 9 category. All are correct, so no problem. It cannot start with 0 to 9. Oh, it is starting with 0 to 9. So this rule not followed. Hence, this is not a variable. This is not a variable. Okay. I hope I am clear. Now let's see one more. 9, sorry, A 9 3 at the rate, at the rate. Okay. First condition, it can contain A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9 underscore. Small a, okay. 9, okay. 3, okay. And at the rate, it is not there in this. So don't think too much. It is not there in this. If any one of the rule fails, even though 3 accepts, it is not a variable. Okay. If one of the rule not satisfies, then it is not a variable. This at the rate, it is failing for the first rule only. So this is not a variable. Okay. I hope I made you understand very clear what is a variable naming convention means, what are the rules for naming a variable. I hope this is clear. Now I will give a small homework, like small assignment, just 5 minutes only. I think 5 minutes also no need. some a 9 2 3 underscore. Is it a variable or not? Next, 9 1 a b c d. Okay, next, a b 92 a b. Okay, next, small a z x at the rate dollar and underscore. In this 1 2 3 4 5, comment me in the answer section which is variable or which is not a variable. See, answer format must be like this: 1 variable, 2 not variable, 3 variable, 4 not a variable. Write full spelling. Okay, for me I am writing small spelling. Fifth variable, like this. Okay, write like this. If something you felt wrong, then your friends or me will correct. Somehow we can get learn. Please make sure, please do these things. Okay, it will motivate you for the next video. Okay, if you can write this, you will feel happy that I completed this, I am able to solve this question, so I can move to next video like this. Okay, I hope I completed for the video. Now, uh, I hope I understand, I make you people understand clear. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a like, comment, share, subscribe. Four things. Okay, like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.